Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's have a look at this SAT question. In the figure above, a square is inscribed in a circle. If the area of the square is 36, what is the perimeter of the shaded region? If you want to read this problem, try, pause the video, and let's see how we can solve it. So, we know that the area of the square is 36. So the length of its sides would be the square root of that, which is just 6. So r of its size would be 6. Now, we are interested the parameter of the shaded region. Well, that would be 6 plus this segment of the circle here. So how can we calculate that? Well, we see. We actually don't have to prove it. It's just easy to see that so the square just divides the circle into 4 parts. So this segment up here would be the fourth of the perimeter of the circle. Okay, how can we calculate that? Well, the circle would be 2 times the radius times pi. What's our radius? Well, our radius would be, like, let's say this is the center point, and from the center point to, let's say, here. Why there? Well, if it's the center point of the circle, then it would be also the center point of the square. It's also well easy to see, not so easy to prove. Well, maybe it would be easy to prove, but we won't prove right now. But we see that that would be equal half of the diameter of the square. So what would it be? Well, this side is 6, this side is 6. If this is a square, this side is 6, this side is 6. Here is a 90-degree angle. We can just use the Pythagorean theorem. 36 squared plus 36 squared would be equal to this squared. We take the square root, so we have 2 times 36 squared equal to the diameter squared. Take the square root. Square root of 2 times 6 would be the diameter. And we are interested in the, well, 2 times the radius is just diameter. So that's very good. The perimeter of a circle would be the square root of 2 times 6 times pi. And we are interested in the fourth of that, so we just divide by 4. And we simplify that, so that would be equal to 3 times the square root of 2 times pi over 2. And for the total perimeter, we had to add this 6. So we just have 6 plus that for total. Let's say total. And let's see. Well, A is actually the same. They just write the pi over here and the 6 over here, but it's the same. So our answer is A. Have you managed to solve it? Tell me in the comment section. If my explanation wasn't really understandable, I'm sorry. Tell me and I will try it again. And Yeah, thank you for watching.